Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So if this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So in today's video we are going to discover like some new features in Calf's airdrop, which is drop Calf. So normally, as we know that right later, like we have been active in a chapter 0 and chapter 1. So chapter 0 and chapter 1 was been successfully ended. So right now we have been dived into chapter 2, which is like mean the listing is really closer. So normally, as you can see, here is the interface of Durovs, which is like we have chapter 0, chapter 1, chapter 2. So a part of the community that have been expected all these like features when they have been ended. So definitely like we are going to be heading to the TGE stage, which like the day that they are going to announce the token generation event. So as you can see, we have like here is chapter 0, chapter 1. So and now the active one is chapter 2. So chapter 0, chapter 1 has been officially concluded. So let's dive into it and see what's what is the new features that they have added in the draft cap. So let's go together. So normally, as you can see, like draft caps, they used to give some collectible like to the lucky users to collect it as in reward. So here is an receive and Roxman gift. So let's click on it. So maybe it's an high reward that they are being given to me, but I don't know. So let's click on it. So subscribe to Roxman channel. So let's go. So since I have already subscribed to Roxman channel, so unchecked. Here is an collectible for Rosman Calf. So they're saying that the task is not completed. So let me omit the chat and then go back and recheck it. So let's click on check. So until now the task is not completed. So let's try again. So basically I don't know what is happening regarding the Rosman Calf channel. So I don't know, like maybe later I should go and reclaim it. So right now they didn't give me like the right chance to claim it. So let's go for, let's take a look for this section. So again, this section, like this Rosman Calf, it has like a 6 days 23 hours 58 minutes left to claim it. So if I didn't claim it within these days, so definitely I'm going to lost it ever. So here it is. So I think here is all what I want to show you in this video. So if this video mean helpful to you guys, kindly click the subscribe button.